You recording?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video. We got Sam behind the camera, aka Mr. Mechanic Man, who's not gonna be a mechanic today because I'm gonna do the coilovers. I've done them on my G37, I've done them on my G35, my old one. I think I can do them. Alrighty, new core support along with some other goodies for the G, like coilovers. We're also getting a tune here very shortly. Not in this video, probably next video.
But I haven't had time to yet.
Who are you yelling at on the phone? I'm trying to record.
Walter.
Boom, coilovers. Boom, BC Racing.
Big Cock Racing.
Want to show everyone your new Z?
This is my new seized vehicle. It's already been in a couple. I live in Mexico.
You live in Mexico?
All the way to Mexico to come see me.
Let me see.
Pretty soon. God damn it, Hunter. See, every time you record.
So, wheels off. We got this cool brand of coilovers called blown coilovers. Well, this specific one might not be blown. I'm pretty sure it is. So, starting off with the rears, we got this coilover. As you can see, we already took the first bolt out, or nut off the bolt from right there. We got to get to this one other back here, and then we should be able to undo this one right here. These are true rears, and I'm getting true rears put on as well, the BC Racing ones. Yeah.
With ease.
POV, I actually work on my own car.
POV? POV would be like this one.
Yes, it's literally on my face right now.
POV, my view.
What are you looking at?
Whoa.
By the way, those were 12s up there, and you do need an extension to get to that one. You might need a small extension to get to this one up here. This one is a 17, so we're gonna put one on this side. We're gonna take our gun that we have to make everything easier.
Like butter. I think we should edit out the part where we used the gun and it just looks like it was this easy.
All right, guys, so we just broke loose the
In case something traumatic happens, dude, there's a fucking bug on me. And you go bzzz on that nut right there. But it's threaded all the way through, but it just makes it easier if you just use the gun to take it out. Just don't put any legs underneath your vehicle right now because that could possibly kill you. Mm-hmm. Yeah, right there, Hunter. Like that. Just like that. Now you push down really hard on that. Do you need my help with this part? Oh, okay, maybe not.
Oh, thank God. Oh, yeah, right down the middle, O.J. Simpson style. Damn, that's a big-ass June bug. That's a front. That's a rear.
That is a rear.
I don't know if they just kind of go on any side, or that's a zip-tied nut on the side of that.
Let's go, dude. Now we all got them laid out here.
Last but not least, we have the...
Oh, the adjusters.
The adjuster.
The dampener.
The dampeners. Yeah, I'm going to turn all the way to stiff and never touch again.
Okay, this guy needs help.
Cool. Coilovers unboxed. All right, we got the dampener. We got soft and hard. All the way hard, like I am right now.
All right, now we plug in the fan.
I gotta cut the zip tie on the side of this.
This is what I call blow. There you go. And Hunter, look, I'll give you 2 bolts so you can hand tighten them up there. Oh shit, Hunter, where'd you go? Keep going, jump, bounce, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. There we go. Wait. There you go. With all that ass, hell yeah. Flop.
It's like the same.
It's like literally the same. Look at that. Barely moves. Look at the front.
Let's go to the other side.
That seems very aggressive. Oh, I gotta pop the hood on the big DE. Love the AC. Where? Wow.
I'm just gonna move that over there.
Okay, awesome, dude. Oh yeah, yeah.
This we're just gonna.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Just gonna move that over there.
On the carbon fenders. Okay.
Yeah. So we got.
Make some room for yourself.
3 nuts.
This thing is wetter than my girl's vagina every time I see her.
Oh my God.
So but basically this thing
we're
is
just admiring it at this point.
Super fucking wet, dude. I mean, I don't know if y'all have seen an ocean before, but this thing is like the supreme ocean, dude. This thing is the wettest of wet. I've never seen anything wetter in my life. And that's saying something. God damn. It gets wetter at the bottom.
Ooh.
That was almost bad. Dang, Hunter, where you get this catch can from?
Oh, thanks for actually mentioning that. Evil Energy, thanks for sending me out this oil catch can. Evil Energy has cooling systems, exhaust systems, and a bunch of cool stuff for your car. Universal stuff like this catch can, for example. So,
whoa!
if you guys like want a catch can or like a muffler or like, I don't know, an oil cooler, make sure to go check out Evil Energy.
Oh shit, dude!
Oh, and guess what?
What?
I got a discount code for you.
Oh shit, what is it?
Is my code right here, you know.
Oh shit.
I got you guys, so thank you, Evil Energy, by the way.
Dang. W?
Oil cooler coming on soon.
Oh, put that on the other side and then put this gun on this side and then... Dang.
That bolt is greasy from the fucking coilover. Just like...
Yeah, push it away from the other, just like that, dude. Just like that, dude.
Oh!
But
yeah, so there's a bolt right here. We're gonna take that little sucker off.
oh, it's for the brake hose. Chat, can y'all see through that? We're not gonna be able to record this. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this shit.
Just imagine us
Ripping this motherfucker off. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it only took us about 30 seconds of us
not really, maybe like 15, honestly.
yeah, just ripping this thing out, but it might have seemed longer. What did you do to Hunter to this thing already?
Just had to make sure it's all the way hard.
Okay, alright. Oh, we got new bolts. They're gold.
Cause BC Racing.
Well, this part y'all aren't gonna be able to see either, but basically what you're gonna probably put is we're gonna start it up there and he's gonna bounce on it, pause. Gonna have to go over here and then we have to slide it this way.
So just imagine us beating the living shit out of it.
And Hunter bouncing on it.
Pause.
What's up, brother?
We went ahead and lined up the coilover and got the bolts in on both sides. And up over here. Where is it? There it is. Dang. Oh my god.
But I like this part. It's so satisfying.
Tighten that bit on. Just like that. Coilover, driver's side.
Installed, brother.
Coilovers are on. 2.5 hours later, made actually good timing. First time in existence. It is something to a car that I own. Didn't go wrong. I know, crazy, right? Anyways, we're gonna take it on a test drive, see how it goes. Front definitely needs to go lower. Rear is maybe an inch. Maybe.
An inch is a lot.
Females say an inch is a lot. Oh my god, my hair's cut an inch! What am I gonna do? It took a lot of energy for me to do that. I'm really tired.
Okay.
And hungry.
Yeah, he's hungry.
You go, pal.
It's a buddy old pal. Wow, that motherfucker's loud.
Oh, it feels so much better already. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm static again. Thank God. Oh, we're stiff.
I'm not stiff.
I am. My windshield's very dirty.
I know, I can't see through it.
I'm also really dirty. Look at my face.
Oh my goodness!
Oh. This thing is stupid loud for no reason. To infinity and beyond!